Hello and welcome to Creativity by Akshita. In this video, I will be showing you some sketchwork. How you can do sketch of a girl and then do shading. So let's start doing shading. Before starting, let me remind you that do subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more interesting and creative videos and for getting updated. So, let's start. Please watch the whole video. This will help me to grow my channel. Okay, so let's start. So here materials which I am using are charcoal pencils, which are this is hard, this is neutral, that is medium, and this is soft. So these are charcoal pencils. Then we are going to use blending stumps. Any one you can use, whichever you have. Then we are going to use Faber-Castell's pencil shading pencils. And there's many pencils are there: 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B. Means 7B it's there, but in this 7B is not there, so 8B is there. By the way, we will be using charcoal pencils for dark shades, so no need to take 8B or 6B pencils. With 5B pencils we can do. So first we will take normal pencil and then start our sketch. After that, for shading we will take these shading materials. So whichever pencil you have, normal pencil, you can use that. For now I'm using Dom's Zoom triangle pencil. Okay, it's more smooth to draw, so I'm using this, and this is my favorite color, pink. Okay, so let's start now. Let's sing a song full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. They don't fade away. So when I'm gone, this is very rough, so I have drawn very roughly. This is just for an idea. This is why we are drawing, because we have to draw eyes. So because of that, we are going to first mark these points, this line we are going to make, and then in this we will adjust the eyes. Then we are going to rub that. Okay, erase that. Do view the description box for materials. Materials which are used, again I'm telling, materials which are used in this video are given in the description, so please check out the description box. By the way, I've told you which materials I've used, still I'm telling you to view the description box. Here we are going to use only soft pencil, soft charcoal pencil, okay. It is very smooth, that's why we are going to use this pencil. And also we will be using 5B pencil of Faber-Castell, which is a normal shading pencil. This, okay. So first let's do with charcoal pencil. Use darkly, okay. With the help of blending stuff, you are going to blend it, or if you have tissue paper, with that also you can do, but now I am doing with blender. If you don't have charcoal pencil, then you can use what I told is Faber-Castell's 5B pencil, okay, for shading. Those who have charcoal pencil, you can use that charcoal pencil, and it should be soft charcoal pencil. Try to give strokes, okay, like this you are going to give stroke. If you want to give from up, then give from up, and then from downside, or from up and down, from both sides you have to give. So from whichever side you will start, first do little and then on the other side do dark, okay. Other side you have to do dark, and the next side, which is opposite, you have to do light there. See, like this. It should be shining here. This was the upper part, that is why here it is the down part. So this is the trick how you can do. Same here. Thank you.